Everybody, this time I'm going to show you how to measure torque with just a meter, with just breaker bar. First of all, you want to see how long your breaker bar is. It's 27 centimeters in my case. So your R is 27 centimeters. Which is meters. You want to find your width is, which is the torque in Newton meters, of course. So it's 100 Newton meters in my case. And the F is what you want to find out, which is the weight, basically the force, the Newton. But I will show you how to convert it to kilograms. So what you want to do is now is use the physics type, which is M equals with F multiplied with R, which is 100 equals with F, which is multiplied with your length. Now what you want to do is F equals with 100. Now I'm going to use my mobile telephone to find the number, so it won't take me half an hour. Which is this is what you want. Now you're going to use another type you've learned probably in physics, with this W is the weight in newtons, so it's just make it a little bit more approximate, or basically you're going to make the M is what you want to find, and the J is something like 9.8, so 9.8, which is makes M equals with something around, let me use my phone, wait, which is 37.792 kilograms. So what you want to do now is take your breaker bar, put a weight scale on it for luggage or so at the end of the breaker bar. What I should probably have measured is until here, because until here I'm going to put the weight in. I mean, the hook will grab right here, and apply force to it until you see 37 kilograms, which is the weight you want. Or what if you want, you can put your body weight on it. Wait, where is it? Here on the F, your body weight in, which is in F, it's if you weigh 30 kilograms, for example, or 80, which is more realistic, it's 800 newtons. You put it there, and you don't use the air, and it will find you the length you need to step on to find the correct torque setting. Do whatever you like the most, both will work out. This is just in case you don't have a torque wrench, or you don't have a torque wrench which goes between your limits. In my case, mine only goes to 60 Newton meters. It's an old but good one, but it sadly won't go up to 100 Newton meters, which is important for my van. I will get a normal one in the future, but for now I am going to use this. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. As you can see today, I didn't bust my knuckles or make my hands dirty, but this will help you bust your knuckles and make your hands dirty and repair your van. So, if you liked this video, like. If you want to show it to all your friends or people that will be to people that this video is helpful, share it. And if you don't want to miss any videos, subscribe and ring this bell. Okay, I wish you a nice day and have fun with your van again. Bye.